Here is how to install the LCD protective film on VeEX test sets. The optional package contains the printed instructions, the LCD protective film, and a cleaning cloth. First, clean the test set's screen. Grab the red tab and partially remove the liner on the adhesive side of the film. Align and attach the film to the top of the screen. Use the cloth and the smooth edge of a plastic card to remove any bubbles. Grab the blue tab to remove the top liner. It is that simple. VeEX, the verification experts.